we've just come out to the falls, the Kamanji Falls. Had a little walk around. There are all these statues here with beautifully, better watch where I'm stepping, beautifully crocheted red hats. It's gorgeous. It's a bit cooler out here, very green, and rocks everywhere, so shouldn't be filming and talking at the same time. The statues are jizo statues to represent passed away children, deceased children. And there was a big flood here years ago and swept a lot of them away. Well, that was a beautiful walk in a very special area. We were instructed to wear long pants. I do have some long pants and long socks, but I chose to wear the short pants and the long socks, my flight socks, for leeches apparently. Keep them off you. We've come up the mountain in the bus to this beautiful waterfall. The bus ride has lots of zigzags and hairpin bends, but I couldn't really film it because I was standing in the bus. It was a bit difficult. Lots of people on the bus. There's a Lake Chuzenzi, which was created 20,000 years ago when a volcano erupted. It's quite a nice, pretty large lake, and I better get going. No ticket? No ticket. Okay. Oh, you're gonna give me this seat, okay. We've just been to a beautiful temple amongst the trees, huge old pine trees, just gorgeous. We are walking up some stairs. Hope it's worth it at the end. Got my coffee. Good morning. We have finished our stay here in Nikko and we're moving over to somewhere else. I've forgotten where we're going next. Hakone. And then we're going to Takayama. So our big luggage has to go ahead of us to Takayama and we get to take the small luggage with us to Hakone. I think there's a lot of travelling today. We're going to be in the trains and in small local trains as well as the Shinkansen. So goodbye to our lovely little ryokan. We didn't do much yesterday after our visit to the shrines. We were a bit tired after all those steps up and down. So we had a relaxed afternoon. We had an onsen and we'd got some food from the Lawson Family Mart, 7-Eleven style place, little mini grocer, and we had cold noodles and actually it was really tasty. So we'll see you all later on. Bye bye. We're leaving Nikko now. We've made it to Hakone, where we went and had some lunch. It was a lovely lunch at an onsen. I didn't go on the onsen, neither did Kevin, and now we're waiting on the bus and we're going to go to our hotel, I think. A bit of a magical mystery tour, this one. Sometimes we're not even sure what's happening until a few moments beforehand.
Shiny.
Yeah, shiny. Now we're on the bus. Welcome to our room here in Hakone. We have the tatami mats and we've got the nice futon beds. It's air conditioned. I think we will have a very nice, pleasant, traditional stay. We're in the kabuki room. Let me show you. We have shared facilities. Sinks, toilets, men and ladies. We have shoes to wear in the toilet and another sink.